In this video, we are going to see a fully automated lead gen system in N8N that find leads and their emails and write personalized outreach emails. Click Execute Workflow to start the automated lead generation process that finds leads and sends personalized emails. Click here on the Send Email node to see the personalized email that has been sent to the lead. Click marchdiz@gmail.com to inspect the lead's email address found by the workflow. Click here to see the email content that the workflow has generated and sent to our lead. Click the personalized email content starting with Hi Maria, as head of brand design at Chili Piper, to review the outreach message generated by the AI. Now let's configure this workflow step by step. Start by clicking on the first node of the workflow. Click here to inspect the email node's configuration and output. Switch to Target Companies. Google Sheets to manage the list of companies and lead criteria. Fill Tesla to specify the company name for lead search within the Google Sheets. Fill Sales to define the department for filtering leads in the Google Sheets. Fill Director to set the seniority level for lead filtering in the Google Sheets. Click the first link in the video description to access Link Finder AI. Click Start Free Trial to create an account and begin using Link Finder AI services. Click API Access to retrieve your API key for integrating Link Finder AI with workflows. Click here to copy your API key from the API Access page for use in the workflow. Switch back to the automated lead email finder workflow in N8N to continue setup. Click here to configure the next node in the workflow using the API key. Click the API key field to input your Link Finder AI API key for authorization. Fill your API key in the authorization field to enable API access for this node. Click Company Name to Website to map company names to their corresponding websites. Click JSON.CompanyName to use the company name variable from the workflow data. Click here to proceed with the next configuration step in the workflow. Click here to access additional workflow node settings and data. Click Authorization to update or verify API key authorization for this node. Click the API key field to input your Link Finder AI API key for this node's authorization. Fill your API key in the authorization field to enable API access for this node. Click Company Domain to Employees to find employees based on company domain information. Click JSON Domain to use the company domain variable from the previous node. Click JSON Department to specify the department for employee filtering. Click JSON Seniority to set the seniority level for employee filtering. Click here to continue configuring the workflow for lead processing. Click here to access further workflow node settings and data. Click the API key field to input your Link Finder AI API key for this node's authorization. Fill your API key in the authorization field to enable API access for this node. Click LinkedIn Profile to Email to find lead emails based on LinkedIn profiles. Click JSON.jsa LinkedIn URL to use the LinkedIn profile URL variable from the workflow data. Click here to continue configuring the workflow for lead processing. Click Write Personalized Email to generate customized outreach messages for leads. Click here to check the AI prompt being used to write personalized email for the lead. Edit the prompt to write a personalized email corresponding to your own brand tone and criteria. Click here to continue configuring the workflow for lead processing. Click here to proceed with the next workflow configuration step. Click JSON Email to inspect the lead's email address found by the workflow. Click JSON Email Subject to review the subject line of the personalized email. Click JSON Email Body to review the full body content of the personalized email. Click here to continue configuring the workflow for lead processing. To import the same workflow to your own N8N, click the GitHub workflow link in the video description. Click here to open the specific workflow JSON file in the GitHub repository. Click Download to save the workflow file for import into your own N8N instance. Click here to open workflow options for importing the downloaded file. Click Import from File to upload the downloaded workflow file into your N8N instance and start using it.